Drones are gaining popularity today, and we are seeing them being used more and more in our daily lives. You may have seen them delivering your mails or on the news, being used for military operations. You may have even watched movies and videos with aerial shots of cities by drones. Similarly, the use of drones in the construction industry is increasing, and this video will discuss how it is used and the pros and cons of using it. First off, it is important to mention that drones are also called UAVs, which stands for Unmanned Aerial Devices. The first UAV was introduced as a radio-controlled aircraft designed in 1917 and used in 1935 by the British for training purposes. Now, let's talk specifically about the construction industry. In the construction industry, drones can be used instead of heavy machinery and bulky scaffolding at dangerous heights to check for fine details in structures and to carry heavy materials. Drone technology has developed quite drastically. Today, thermal sensors can check for heat leaks and cold spots as well as electrical issues. Most commonly, two types of drones are used at construction sites. The first is the fixed-wing drone, used for analyzing larger distances. The second is the rotary drone, used for analyzing shorter distances. Drones can capture this data in real time, meaning as it's flying, data can be generated and examined by either people or AI. All this technology can optimize the work needed to be done on a site. Other than their technology, there are many ways that efficiency can be increased on a construction site using drones. Surveying a construction site can take anywhere from days to years, depending on the land area needed to be surveyed and the infrastructure surrounding the construction site. From planning to conducting an analysis to writing a survey report, surveying is a long process. Therefore, efficiency is key. Drones increase efficiency 60 times the traditional method, increasing productivity by 50 to 60%. Drones aren't just more efficient, but they also make construction work safer. Construction in the first place is a dangerous industry. 20% of worker deaths in the United States are from construction workers, even though they only make up 6% of the total workforce. Construction companies currently spend 3.6% of their budget on injuries, but only 2.6% on safety training. This shows that construction workers are heavily neglected. 58% of workers believe that productivity takes priority over safety to these companies, and 51% say that companies only do the bare minimum to keep their employees safe. Drones can take over tasks like climbing up to dangerous heights to survey, produce high-quality images, and can even be used to create 3D models of the site to help organize data. These drones can make up for the lack of safety protocol for construction workers. Furthermore, drones can use their cameras for security. Approximately $300 million worth of construction equipment is stolen every year. And to fight this, drone cameras can be used as security cameras. Limitations. Drones do have problems of their own too. They aren't very reliable in poor weather conditions, and work can get adjourned pretty often since drones can't fly stably in winds above 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour. This means that with or without drones, workers will have to be put in dangerous positions. Drones cannot fly over private property and no flight zones either. Drones are very distracting, and in a survey with 150 construction workers, many said that drones can reduce the attention that workers devote to their work, which could instead be the cause of their injuries. Others say that drones cause them to feel as though they are being monitored constantly. Thank you for watching.